here at this restaurant. They're closed at the moment. They're looking after hours forward. Get their patio clean. Now, this is before. So this is after. Got a lot of pushing the surface cleaner. We're going to clean this up real well, get all this junk and junk off of it, and then blend it off, rinse it. We'll shoot what the final picture looks like. Stay tuned. We had already cleaned all this brick area here and the front entrance to the store. Now we're just doing the rinse. We're wanding off, getting the curtain behind, pushing it off with stone patios. Fine pressure washing here. Some of the detailed areas that the surface cleaner may have missed. We're just about done, so stick around. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. All right, well, we are done with this restaurant. Did their front walkway and their entryway, their brick on either side of their doorway. And we did their front patio. We did their side patio earlier. This came out really, really good. Put all the furniture back. Did all the touch-ups. You don't see any swirls on there, or any dirt around the posts or in the corners there. This patio is looking really good. I think management's going to be really, really happy with it. We were happy to be of service. So if we could be of service to you in any of your exterior cleaning, please give us a call, 678-727-2062. This is Dennis with Grizzly Soft Wash. We'll talk with you soon. Grrr!